Hey guys, here for this education and welcome back to another very exciting tutorial, and I am your host Nipun Dirulanga. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to work with vanishing point tool. It allows you can replace images inside the mockups, and very simple way to do this. For an example, I have this image. I am hit the Control and A to select all mode and take a copy. Control C. Oh, you can do it. Go to the edit and copy paste cut. You can do anything and hit the Control V to paste images. Okay, you don't need to do this like switching the work mode and like this. You don't need. This is the old method, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to replace your images inside the mockup. And go ahead, select the filter, and you can see vanishing points options here, and go ahead, click on this. Now you can see the new window here, and this is the vanishing point workspace. And now you can zoom it, hit the Control plus and minus and hold down the space key. You can move it around like this. Okay, and now you can see our cursors. It's kind of different changes, and you can click on this corner, scroll down your mouse wheel, and you can move your image around. That point here and final point here. Okay, now you can see it is allows to a grid layout, and now you can simply hit the Control and V and paste here. Okay, now you can see our image. Hit the Control T to transform mode and move it inside our layout, and you can see it will automatically set to this frame like this. Now we can do little adjustments here. You can touch the corner here, and you can increase the scale sizes like this. Right, this is very easy method, and I will do it again. I have another mockup, and go to the vanishing point tool and select this object around. Press the Control V and click on this image and move it into the mockup like this. Okay, see, this is very easy way to do this. I will see you another tutorial, and bye for now.